Japan is a vending machine paradise. From beverages, you can get Fanta, Coca-Cola, salad vending machines, cake vending machines with all flavors, shortcake, all types, cheesecake from a can. It's mind-blowing. My favorite ice cream vending machine on a hot day, orange juice as well, and even hot beverages in the winter. You can get them warm and hot. Would you like to try any of this during your stay in Japan? Parfait for that sweet tooth that you have. They have it here in Japan. Please try and visit Japan. And when you do, please enjoy this vending machine trip.